How to increase video RAM graphics without any software. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters and then click on Entail. Right-click on it and Update Driver. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Search automatically for drivers. As you can see, it is showing the best drivers for your device are already installed. If it's not installed, it will install and your graphics will increase. After that, simply right-click on your display and refresh it, and you're good to go. That's how to increase video RAM graphics without any software. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.